James from Say Nutrition. Just a tip, we're going to work on training hacks, how to work out if you're just getting started and what to do. So number one would be just to make time. So just set a time when you're going to go to the gym. Doesn't matter what you do anything, just set a time that you're going to go 3 or 4 times a week and just do that. Get into the habit of going to the gym, making time for the gym, and just get that. That is going to be week 1, possibly even week 2, is just go to the gym, do something. So a bonus tip would be, I would always go first thing in the morning. If you go on an evening, it's fine, you might have more energy, but if you don't really want to go to the gym, you'll find more excuses to not go. You'll have to work late, you might be hungry, you have to go see the kids. There's a lot more things that you can put as a barrier in the way of going to the gym if you don't go first thing. So even if you don't feel great going first thing, I would always advise going first thing. There's not any kind of added fat burning benefits or anything like that. It just means you've got less bullshit excuses that you can put in front of going to the gym. Yeah, so number 2 would just be to do anything at first. Like I said, get to the gym, make that a priority, and then you can do anything. You can do cardio, you can do a few machines, you can do a class, whatever you want, but just as long as you get into that habit of going to the gym 3-4 times a week, anything goes for that. You're just laying the foundations right now. Tip 3, prioritize resistance training. So this could be either barbells and dumbbells or using machines. What you need to do is pick compound movements. So if you're thinking upper body, it's going to be an upper body push. So it's either going to be a bench press or an overhead press on the same machines. Pull's going to be either a horizontal row or a vertical row. So it's going to be lat pull downs or a machine row, barbell row, dumbbell row. And then for legs, we're looking at leg press, squats, goblet squats, or any kind of variation of these. So just start off with doing 2 sets of between 10 and 20 reps. Just go nice and steady. Think about learning the movements, going through those. So just 2 sets, 10 to 20. This is going to be about week 3 of January to do this for a week. And then just work through that 3 to 4 full body workouts per week. So tip 4 would be to add another set. So now you're going to perform the same exercises, so the same exercises that you've chosen, whatever they are, whether the machines or whether the barbells or dumbbells, and you're going to do 3 sets now. 3 sets of 10 to 20 reps. Once you're there, then you can look at upping the weights. So you'll keep on doing 3 sets, 10 to 20 reps, and then just look at increasing the weight slowly, whilst keeping within that 10 to 20 rep range. If you hit 20 reps, then up the weight and get somewhere between 10 to 20. So that should keep you all the way, build up to January. So the first week is get to the gym. Second week is still get to the gym, just reinforce the habit. Third week would be to add the resistance training, 2 sets of 10 to 20. Fourth week would be up that to another set, so it's 3 sets of 10 to 20, and then keep that going, trying to increase the weights, same program, same workout, write everything down all the way from February, and then we'll speak to you then.